it's like a little bit introduction about the EduConnect Rwanda, as my director or my CEO said, you no need to repeat it again. And this is our vision. This is our mission and the vision. No need to look it into again. So this is my course of today. We started by introduction to statistics course. The table of content, as you see, what is statistics, why statistics is important, key terms in statistics, types of data. You say, okay. Anyone who has a question before we proceed? Okay, if there is no question, we can proceed. And we look at the types of data and even basic statistical techniques, measure of central tendency, measure of variability, visualization data, and we look at the conclusion and even the question, as I said before. So our first presentation is about what is statistics. Simply, the definition of statistics, it's like a science of collecting, analyzing, presenting, interpreting data to make decisions. When you look at the line here, you see that we have what we call statistics decision making. So which means for us, we need statistics so that we can analyze, correct, present, interpret the data for the purpose of taking decision, maybe for the specific problem that the society has. And when it comes to the purpose of statistics,